Hey cozy friends, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you real quick how to make some ginger shots frozen. So first thing you'll need is some water, and the next thing you'll need is some ginger. I have the grated ginger that's in a jar. I got that from Amazon. And you'll need an ice cube tray or whatever kind of tray you want to use. Of course, your blender. And of course your lemons. So you want to put your lemons in the water, which is about a half a bottle of water that's in the blender. And you want to blend with the peels on. Then I used about 2 or 3 spoonfuls of grated ginger. And this ginger is so good too. And after that, you want to make sure the lid is secure, and then you want to blend. And I blended it for about a minute and some change. And actually I blended it twice. And I let it sit for a minute before I poured it into the ice cube trays. I like mine a little sweet, so what I do is I put honey at the bottom of the ice cube trays. Just a little bit, couple squeezes. And then after I do that, I go ahead and pour the ginger shot in the ice cube trays. And I fill it up all the way. Once it kind of settles and the bubbles go out, then you'll have to, of course, put a little more in. So I had enough for 2 ice cube trays, which was great. And I had these cranberries that in the freezer. So I said, well, cranberries are superfruits, which are good for you. So I might as well just go ahead and add those to the cubes. So I put 1 or 2, maybe 3 in each. And they are now complete and ready to be put in the freezer. So we want to put them in there maybe 2 or 3 hours. They should be ready. And bam, they are ready. So they're nice and froze. And then we want to take them out of the trays and put them into a plastic bag. I put the date on there and what I made the cubes out of. Then you want to boil you some water and put your cube in there and stir it a little bit. It's not going to take long at all for the ice cube to dissolve. It will dissolve pretty quick. And it is ready to drink. Now all you need to do is get you something to read. Prefer a Bible or a good book. Get you some red light therapy. And that's it. Thanks for watching.